Welcome in, everybody that's coming in. We are watching a severe thunderstorm rolling into our area here in Palm Coast, Florida. We have tons of storms happening today. This is one of the bands now coming in. Check out that wind, guys. It is insane. It is so intense. My ditches are already getting full, and we're not even halfway through the day yet, guys. If you're in Florida, make sure to keep your alerts on today. Take them seriously. Anything that comes through, take caution, take shelter right away. Do not mess around with your alerts. These storms are coming from the Gulf Coast. They're pumping in so much all at once, guys. And it's like a storm after a storm after a storm. It's kind of like having a tropical storm right on top of us all day long. So make sure to keep your alerts on, guys. Welcome in from Germany. Wow. Right now we're getting winds up to 25 to 30 right now. Holy cow, guys. This is insane. Go this way so you guys can see more coming from this way. Yeah, exactly. A lot of rain in a short amount of time is not good for us. That is for sure. We are in the United States. I'm in Florida, and I'm in Flagler County, which is Palm Coast. I'm actually happy too, because this is our rain season, and hurricane season starts up next month. So from now until November, I will be busy with recordings, going live. So if you're new, check out the channel, see if it's something that you're interested in. I also do sunrises on Saturdays, but right now that's on hold due to a car accident. But I should be getting a brand new car by the end of May. Maybe the beginning of June, so just hang in there with that. But storm season's here, and it's going to be keeping me pretty busy. So crazy, look at that already. I might need that kayak after all. Holy cow. Yeah, right? Alright, I'm going to stand back out, guys. I'm gonna keep it right here. This seems to be a good area right here. Right? Wow. Welcome in, Sonic. Hedgehog. It's so windy, my stand keeps on moving on me, guys. I'm sorry. I have to keep on adjusting. Where is everyone from coming in? Guys, my road is almost covered with water. This is insane. Oh, I love listening to the rain. I love watching it. I love being in it. Yeah, I'm usually out in it, guys, but not having my car is kind of hard to do that. But at least I'm in a good location. Like, this location that I'm in is perfect because when we get storms bad here. So I usually get pretty darn good videos. Wanting to do a personal recording video, guys. We just got done with our first round of heavy bands, and oh my god, we are flooded. It came down for a good 30 minutes non-stop. I just got done doing a live. Wow. And this is just one band out of many to come today. We have a system coming from the Gulf that is bringing all this rain to us. So yeah, stay safe.